Dashboard dissection. Today, let's explore how MVS Technical tears down the hidden electronics right behind your steering wheel.
Ever wonder what's actually driving those vital readouts on your daily commute? Well, let's find out.
MVS Technical kicks off the teardown right here at the familiar surface of physical gauge needles and dials.
To properly diagnose issues, they follow a strict process to detach the board and access the internal hardware.
Snapping apart that plastic housing completely separates the mechanical dials from the really complex internal electronics.
Stripping away the plastic reveals this naked printed circuit board. This is the literal brain powering your dashboard. This single board houses a massive network of central microchips and tiny resistors connected by delicate solder joints.
But the naked eye just isn't powerful enough to spot microscopic points of failure here.
So for the final inspection, they use a digital microscope to hunt down microscopic solder joint cracks.
It really makes you wonder, right? How many tiny, invisible connections are keeping your daily commute safe today?